This is the Master POS Salary Processing Overview. This program enables you to calculate payroll for all employees based upon their salary type. Once payroll is generated, you are able to make changes if needed. To access the Master POS Salary program, you must access the company cloud. Let's do that now. I log into the company cloud with my username and password and click Login. To access the salary program, click Accounting and then click Salaries. This is the first screen that you will see when you enter the Salaries program. On the left, you see the payrolls that have already been calculated. On the right, you can calculate new payroll periods by clicking Create Payroll. When you click Create Payroll, you are presented with a screen that allows you to enter the date range of the payroll. Click in the date range box and you can choose the beginning and ending date of the payroll. When done, click Apply. Now, select the salary type of the employees you want to run payroll for. For this demonstration, I will select the one called New $8 plus commission. For each individual type, slide the button to On. When done, click Run Payroll. When the payroll has been processed, you will then see a list of employees included in this payroll run and a total of the payroll for that time period. To print the payroll record, click the selected employees and click Print. Here you will see a detailed payroll report. To delete the payroll record, click the selected employee and click Delete. You will be asked to confirm deletion. To export the data, click Export and the program will create a CSV file for you to download to Excel. To see and edit the details of the payroll period, click this pencil icon. You can also delete this employee from the payroll run, recalculate the payroll, or print the payroll record as I have shown earlier. Let's edit the payroll record. Click on the pencil icon. Here you will view the payroll details for that employee. It is displayed in weekly sections for easier viewing. You can see the date, location worked, hours worked, total of sales, payment for the hours worked, and payment for commission earned, and then the total. If you need to get additional detail about that employee's sales or hours for that day, click on the magnifying glass in the Options column to see them. Once you click on the magnify icon, you can see the following information: the sales total and sales quantity for that day, the average sale amount, and the buffer, which is the difference between the minimum price and the selling price. Here you can see the monthly sales total, yearly sales total, and cost of merchandise for this employee. Here you may view, edit, or delete the sales for that day. Editing the sale is useful when you may need to modify the commission rate on a certain sale. Under the login and break history, you can view the hours worked. The Add Custom event is for future use. Hit Close to close this window and return to the previous window. If you need to add any additional pay or any deductions, you can perform that here in the boxes that say Additions and Deductions. Simply click on the plus button, enter a description and the amount, then press Save. The action works the same for the deductions as well. On the left, you can view the summary breakdown of the payroll period. You can see the total salary, additions and deductions, and salary statistics. Once you have paid this salary, you can enter any pertinent notes and enter the date that it was paid. Click Update Salary to save any changes. When you click Go Back, the status will change to Paid on the main payroll screen next to the employee name. This concludes the salary processing overview. Customer support is available by calling 855-578-6767.